Hey everybody, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I have another Home Chef unboxing, so let's check it out and see what's inside. This is how it arrives. Open it up. Got the menu cards on the side, the insulation, some ice packs, meal kit, meal kit, meal kit. Then we have more ice packs. We have some shrimp and some diced chicken thighs. My menus for the week are Dynamite shrimp rice bowl and Thai orange chicken thigh tacos. One of the great things about Home Chef is I was able to get this one in just 2 servings, and I got this one for 4 servings. Again, I love being able to choose the number of servings because not everyone is home every night. We've got all sorts of things going on. So we'll have a family dinner with this one and a few people for the shrimp rice bowl. Another thing about the shrimp rice bowl is this is one of the oven ready meals. So it comes with an aluminum tray and it's supposed to be super easy. There's only 3 instructions on the back. So let's check out the meal kit and see what we need to do for this oven ready meal. Here is the meal kit. Has everything in the oven ready tray. We have some wonton strips, boom boom sauce, soy sauce, rice vinegar, edamame, slaw, more wonton strips, cilantro, lime, pepper, salt, sesame seeds, and jasmine rice. Another thing that I love about Home Chef, if you did not want this meal with shrimp, you could have customized it and changed it to pulled pork or skinless, boneless chicken breast. So I love that about Home Chef. I was able to only get 2 servings and I went with the original shrimp recipe, and I'm gonna go try this right now. I'm going to go throw this in the oven and I'll let you guys know how it goes. I cooked the rice in the microwave and then I added it to the provided tray. Next, I mixed the edamame, the slaw mix, the seasoning blend, as well as some pepper, and I spread all of that into an even layer. Next, I added the shrimp to the top and some more salt and pepper. I put it in the oven and baked it for about 18 minutes. When I removed it from the oven, I added the rice vinegar and the soy sauce and mixed it together. Finally, I added the boom boom sauce and the wonton strips and the sesame seeds as a garnish to the finished bowl. And here it is. And let's check it compared to the photo. And this looks nothing like the photo, but it was actually delicious. And I would definitely order this one again. The next meal is the Thai orange chicken thigh tacos. So let's check out this meal kit. I have 2 of these because I have 4 servings, but I'm only going to open one right now. Tortillas, minced ginger, cilantro, red bell pepper, mayonnaise, slaw, more mayonnaise. The last 2 items, soy sauce and orange sauce. This one has a prep and cook time of 35 to 45 minutes and the difficulty level is easy, so I think I got this. We'll try it and I'll let you guys know how these tacos turn out. This was another easy recipe. I cooked the chicken, the red pepper, and then added the orange sauce and soy sauce. And here we have the finished taco on the tortilla with the slaw and cilantro. This was another hit for my family. Everyone enjoyed it. Be sure to check out the description below for a link and a coupon code for a discount on your first Home Chef box. And as always, thank you so much for watching and please subscribe.